Determine k such that x squared plus 2k minus 1 times x plus k squared equals 0 has two real roots. x1, x2 are greater than 1. Since the quadratic equation has two real roots, so the discriminant equals 2k minus 1 all squared minus 4k squared is greater than or equal to 0. Since x1, x2 are greater than 1, so x1 minus 1 plus x2 minus 1 is greater than 0, and x1 minus 1 times x2 minus 1 is greater than 0. By Vieta's formulas, x1 plus x2 equals minus 2k minus 1, x1, x2 equals k squared. Inequality 2 can be written as x1 plus x2 is greater than 2 by substituting x1 plus x2 equals minus 2k minus 1 in x1 plus x2 is greater than or equal to 2. We can now write minus 2k minus 1 is greater than 2. By rearranging the inequality, we have minus 2k plus 1 minus 2 is greater than 0. By simplifying the inequality, we have 2k is less than minus 1, so k is less than minus a half. Inequality 3 can be written as x1, x2 minus x1 plus x2 plus 1 is greater than 0. We can write x1, x2 as k squared, and we can write minus x1 plus x2 as 2k minus 1. So k squared plus 2k is greater than 0. We can factorize the left-hand side of the inequality and write k times k plus 2. So either k is greater than 0 or k is less than minus 2. From inequality 1, we have 4k squared minus 4k plus 1 minus 4k squared is greater than or equal to 0. 4k squared and minus 4k squared cancel. By rearranging the inequality, we have 4k is less than or equal to 1. That is, k is less than or equal to a quarter. From inequalities 4, 5, 6, we have k is less than minus 2. Thank you for watching. Hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel for notification of new videos. See you next time.